start off, you're going to hold a straight edge like a eyeliner or brow liner against your nose on the side, and then identify where the head of your brow should begin. Then on the outside of your iris, hold the pencil straight up and down, and then mark right where your arch is supposed to be. Next, holding the pen against your nose going up towards your temple, now we're going to identify and put a mark where the tail of your brow should end. Now picking up our brow kit, we're going to use the angle brush and dip it into the pomade first. We're going to identify the head of the brow, that mark that we made the first time, and create a line. And we're just going to draw a line along the bottom of the eyebrow, all the way to the arch. Just one line from that point to the arch of the brow, and then stop. Then when we get to the arch of the brow, we're going to actually just go straight through the tail of the brow with that same pomade. See, the head of your brow is usually thicker than the tail of your brow, so this is why we're not going to go underneath the tail of the brow. Now we're going to pick up the middle color, which is actually a powder, and we're going to start at the head of the brow, and from the line that we created initially, we are going to pull that color up into the head of the brow. This will help to create a little bit more product on the head of my brow, but I like to keep that area light because it just makes it a little bit more natural looking. Then if there's any more sparse areas throughout my natural brow, I'm going to apply the powder on top of that area. Next, in order to blend all of the products together, I'm going to take the spoolie, pull it through the entire eyebrow in order to blend those products together. Next, right on the brow bone, I'm going to apply this illuminating powder right along the brow bone. So first I'm going to go ahead and carve it out and then blend it down onto my brow, and it becomes this really beautiful luminescent highlight on the brow bone. Now I'm going to take my illuminating bronzer in medium glow and apply this with a blush brush onto the top of my cheeks. Then I'm going to also put some on my chin before also sweeping some up onto my brow bone. When I'm doing this, I like to do a C motion between my cheeks and my brow bone. Then with my finger, I'm going to take some of that medium glow illuminating bronzer and put it onto my eyelid. I love that this can be also used as an eyeshadow. After I do that, I'm going to go back to my brow palette and pick up that pomade and apply some of the pomade onto my eye as an eyeliner, as a brown eyeliner. It is absolutely gorgeous, super smooth to go on, and very, very compact because it's a multi-use product. After that, I'm going to use my Great Heights mascara and really emphasize the outer corner of my eyes. I really want my eyes to kind of have that siren effect, so I'm going to emphasize applying a lot more mascara to the outer corner of my eyes and then working my way towards the inner corner. I love to do this because the mascara is so fine that it will actually get underneath your eyelashes and kind of tight line underneath your eye. So you'll have a lot more definition with that black ink underneath your eyelashes. Then let's go back to my brow kit where I use the blending brush and the middle powder product and sweep this onto my eyelid right in the center, kind of in the socket of my eye. Afterwards, let's finish off the look with Toasted Plum Supreme Hydrating Lipstick and Fancy Nancy Lip Gloss. And that's the look using our Spring 2025 Mary Kay cosmetic products.